Tolt Affiliate Review. So Tolt is a popular affiliate marketing tool designed to simplify and enhance your affiliate marketing effort. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide and a details review of the features, the pricing, and the benefits of this Tolt Affiliate Review. So let's get started. So talking about the features, it comes with Tolt provides a session-wise dashboard where you can monitor all your affiliate sales and earn in real time. And also the platform is user-friendly and doesn't require technical expertise to set up your campaign. And also Tolt the update your stars are still happen, allowing you to see your earning grow live. And also it helps you manage all your commissions, ensuring accurate tracking and timely payment. And also Tolt works seamlessly with popular platforms, making it easy to connect your existing tools and website. And also it is time saving, and also Tolt provide transparent data and easy to use tools to help you maximize your return on investment. And also the design is clear and straightforward, making it easy for beginners to navigate and use. And the pricing, talking about the pricing, Tolt offer a subscription-based pricing model, while specific pricing details may vary. It is generally provides a cost-effective solution for affiliate marketers. You can try Tolt for free to see if it meets your needs before committing to a paid plan. And the benefit of this website is that it increased revenue. So over 80% of users report 25% increase in affiliate revenue within the first 3 months of using Tolt. And also you can create a unique website for your partner, enhancing collaboration and communication. And also excellent customer support. Users have praised Tolt for its responsive and helpful customer support. That's it.